Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a biryani recipe. Today we're going to make mushroom dum biryani. Very easy to make, very few ingredients, and it can be put together very quickly. We are going to do it the Hyderabadi way with layering of the biryani and not making it in one pot. So let's begin today's recipe. For this, first I'm going to cook the rice. I've taken a large pot of water, I've kept it to boil, and to that I've added salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 bay leaves of Tej Patta, 2 pieces of Dalchini or cinnamon, 1 Javitri or Mace, 1 Chakra phool or star anise which are broken into pieces, 3 cloves or Laung, 15 pepper or Kali Miri, a handful of Pudina or mint leaves. I've used them frozen here, you can use fresh one too. Now let the water come to a good boil. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of Basmati rice which I washed and soaked for half an hour. After putting in the rice, let your mixture come to a good boil and then time yourself for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can check the rice. If you take a grain of rice and press it between your fingers, it should break, not smash. Your rice is ready. You can drain it and keep it aside. Now for the gravy. I've taken 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan and I'm frying 1 onion till nice and brown. Once the onion is ready, I'm going to keep it aside, and in the same oil I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 1 onion sliced fine. Saute the onion till it goes slightly brown in color. I'm also adding 3 green chillies cut into small pieces. Two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. To this I'm adding 2 potatoes cut into big cubes. This is not mandatory, you don't need to add it, but I like potatoes in biryani, so I've added 2 potatoes cut into big cubes. Saute this for approximately 5 minutes. To this I'm adding the puree of 2 tomatoes. Cook till the oil starts to separate. I've added 1 teaspoon of biryani masala, the recipe of which is already uploaded on the channel. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, kasuri methi 2 teaspoon, mix everything well, add salt to taste. I'm then adding half a cup of dahi or curd. Mix everything well. To this I'm adding 400 grams of mushrooms. This is the button mushrooms. Mix everything well. Make sure that the masala is well coated on the mushrooms. I'm going to cover and cook it for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, this is your mushroom gravy for your biryani. Layer 1/3 of this gravy into the pot in which you're going to assemble your biryani. I'm spreading half of the rice now over that gravy. Adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, some fried onions, chopped coriander leaves, a little bit of food color, this is optional. I'm going to add the remaining of the gravy above the rice. Spread the gravy evenly. Then top it with the remaining rice. Adding 1 more tablespoon of ghee, fried onions, chopped coriander leaves, and the food color. to cover this pot with a foil paper because my lid is not tight enough, and then going to cover it with the lid and keep it for dum on a very low flame for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. After around 25 minutes, my biryani is ready. This is how it looks. Extremely delicious and scrumptious to just look at, and even tastier to eat it. Serve it piping hot with either raita or a bit of pickle and papad. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe. Please do give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.